So, what's our birth plan?
Okay, so since this is week 37 and the countdown has begun for our baby Zach's arrival, Tati and I are going to look at the birth plan, and this is from Beijing Harmony Care Women's and Children's Hospital, where we've been going for the last, how many months?
Many months.
Many months since the time we've conceived. So there are a couple of questions they've asked us. So this looks like this is an agreement between the hospital and I guess the parents to be, and this is to make sure that my doctor and the healthcare provider knows what to provide for me and wants to know my preferences as I prepare for childbirth. So baby Zach, this is your birth plan. Okay. So this is going to happen according to our wishes. So the first page here has all the information that we're supposed to fill out, our name, in case of emergency, phone numbers. And the first category they have, they are asking us maybe around, there are 5 questions they ask us about the environment. So the first question, which is very important it looks like, is who is going to accompany mommy during labor and who would mommy like to be accompanied by? So husband, a friend, a relative.
That would be me. No.
Would be,
that's me. I'm accompanying the baby and the mother, okay?
So that would be all. So your father, who is my husband, is also my friend and a relative in this country. So he's going to be accompanying me during labor to witness the birth. And during labor, oh my goodness, they've given me 5 choices. So the first one is, will I be bringing my own music to play during labor? Would I be wearing my own clothes? Would I like to watch TV programs or a DVD? Would I like the lights in the room to be kept low during my labor? Oh my goodness. Would I like to eat meals provided by the hospital? So let's see. Will I be bringing my own music? I haven't thought about that.
No, we don't. You'll make the music.
I would be wearing my own clothes.
Actually, Tim said it's better to use the hospital clothes.
I think the hospital clothes would be better because my own clothes will look something like this.
It won't be fancy.
And or maybe I'll wear a gown. I don't think so. I'll be watching any TV programs. And the lights to be kept low. I think if Tati is going to be filming everything, I think we want the lights to be bright. I think we want what do you call
a spotlight?
Spotlight like this. Show the spotlight. Maybe we want fancy spotlights. Spotlight right on my face, maybe. And will I be able to eat? I don't know. This question is. I'm sure they're going to empty my guts before I give birth. I have no idea. So again, I have to ask the hospital about this. Third question, mobility and positioning. Okay, I have choices here as well. Will I let my doctor decide the optimal position and how much I can move during my delivery? I have no idea. Mobility,
I guess people want to make their own choices these days.
I think so, but I'm not sure because this is the first time I'm giving birth. And
let the doctor decide.
Let the doctor decide, I think so. And also, I would like to be free to walk, change position, and use the bathroom as needed as desired. Of course, I would like to do that. I would like to be able to try positions comfortable during pushing. I don't know. I haven't thought about that. I only know that I'm supposed to push.
Like in the movies. Like in the movies,
like in the cartoons.
And that's all we know.
Yeah, you know when you push and then your throat dries and I guess you scream, you yell, I don't know. Yeah, I would like to try to push by myself unless Tati holds my hand. But Tati's not supposed to make faces. I faint when I'm pushing.
Yeah, I won't faint. I'll try.
Oh my goodness, would I like to use birthing equipments like yoga pad and birthing ball? No, I don't think so. I'd be comfortable using that because I think I would first have to learn how to use it. Expectations of a midwife. Okay, that's a good question. So will I make appointment with the midwife before delivery? Of course. Do I hope the midwife to be older and softer? I don't know what it means as in softer. I don't know. But definitely I want to be with a midwife who's older and experienced. Age is not very important and she could act quick and be flexible. I think I'm supposed to be flexible and not her. And it says I might make appointment with the midwife near the due date and don't care about the extra cost. So we have to consider this. We don't know. I also read somewhere that you can get a doula. You can hire a foreign midwife to come along with you.
We'll just get the hospital.
I think so. We'll stick to what the hospital is giving us because too many cooks spoil the broth. So we don't want any conflicts there. Oh, pain relief. This is very important. I would like to manage the pain through the support of my partner, my friend or a doula, or medical staff assisting me. I think so. I would like to support pain with maybe my partner. And if Auntie Bindu is free.
Unlikely.
Yeah, we'll see. I would like to try relaxation and breathing techniques. Okay, I think I'm good with that when it comes to breathing. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I would like to be able to wash bathtub if I desire to do so. Okay, I would like to avoid epidural. This is something we need to think about the anesthesia. But in case, I think I would like to request for it because I think it's going to be...
Should be on standby.
It should be on standby because I really don't want to, I don't know, what would be the worst case scenario? Never mind. I would like to have epidural, maybe standby. I would like to. I hope I don't want to use any anesthesia during labor. It also depends on the size of the baby and mama's size in the next 3 weeks. So these are important questions and we're going to think about this. Okay, second is labor. Okay, so the first question here is, will I let the doctor decide if episiotomy is necessary? Oh, I wouldn't like to think about it right now, but I think I would let the doctor decide. And if I prefer not to have episiotomy unless it's medically indicated, informed consent must be given, of course. But from what I know, my mom didn't need it because she said we have tender skin, so we'll find out. Placenta, interesting question. There are 3 options given here, and I would like to see my placenta after it's delivered. Afterwards, I'd like the hospital to take care of its disposal with a consent form. I think so. We should do that.
We're
I do not
saving
wish to see placenta. I would like to see the placenta because the placenta has been with my baby, and before the hospital disposes it, I think I would like to see it. I'd like to take my placenta with me. I don't think I would like to do that because it's going to cost us a fortune to save it.
And
We're not doing that. In banking, we're not doing it. That's something that's out of question. Oh,
wait, hey, what's with the socks? What is that?
Oh, these are my happy socks.
Oh,
yes.
Cute.
So, newborn care, this is interesting. So, immediately after the delivery, I would like to see the baby after the delivery and know the sex. I think we kind of know what the baby is, boy or girl, but we don't know. It could be a surprise.
No surprises, please.
Of course, I would like to see the baby after the delivery. I've waited so long. I would like to have the baby directly placed on my stomach, chest, after the birth. I don't think it's on my stomach. He's been there for long, so I think on my chest. I would like to have the baby to be cleaned first and then given to me to behold. No, I don't think so. I would like that. I would like the baby to be with me first. Whatever the unclean means with the vernix and everything, I guess. I'd like to take a picture with the baby and the father. Of course, yes. We're going to be doing that. If the baby must go to the NICU for evaluation medical treatment, the baby's father or someone I designate will accompany the baby all the times. Yes. If the baby needs to go to some sort of intensive care, then Tati is going to be with the baby and accompany the baby. We don't want the baby to be switched. If the baby needs to be transported to another hospital, the baby's father or someone I designate will accompany the baby, of course. But we hope that doesn't arise. Oh, let's look at the umbilical cord. I would like to cut the cord myself. No, I wouldn't like to cut the cord myself. How can I cut the cord myself?
They'll give you a pair of scissors and say, cut it.
No, I would like the father to cut the cord.
Okay, I'll do it.
Are you willing to cut the cord?
Yes,
okay. But you don't go chop chop. You go snip.
snip.
And you shouldn't faint. Also, please, Tati, do not experiment. Listen to what the doctor says. And you should follow. Not even the doctor. The midwife will tell you where to cut. And I have made arrangements to bank the umbilical cord. No,
I'm not taking that home.
No, we're not banking. I think the placenta we don't bank, but I think it's the umbilical cord. We're not doing any of that. No banking. Oh, baby's vernix. Yes, I would like to have the vernix removed. I would not want the vernix to be removed from the baby's skin because from what we have read, it's good to have the baby with the vernix for a day. Okay, the fourth is about cesarean section delivery. So far, mommy wants to do natural and wants to push baby Zach out. But in case there's a cesarean section required, for medical reasons, again, we can plan that. But I want to have a vaginal delivery. But in case there is complication, we would have to take the doctor's suggestion. Medication after cesarean section. Oh, I don't want to read this. I would like to use relief pump. I would like to use oral medication. I would let
We're going natural, so let it be.
I think I'm going to let the doctor decide. Company, I would like my partner or a friend, a relative to accompany me during the cesarean section. Mihnea is going to be there throughout. Tati's going to be there throughout. Everything.
And not passing out.
Not passing out and not making comments and sticking to the plan and just keeping quiet and helping mommy. Do I want to use advanced medical consumable, even if it's not included in the package? If I need, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. I want to consume anything more than what I have, what they will give me. No, none of that. Surgical, I don't know. Absorbable, something, I don't know. I wouldn't want to do any of that. Postpartum. Okay, let's go to the nice part here. Post-delivery. Breastfeeding. Okay, if there is not any medical problem, I plan to breastfeed the baby and would like to begin nursing very shortly after birth. Yes, that is the plan. As soon as the baby is born, I would like to have the baby. I would like to nurse the baby after the baby is born. And I do not want the baby to be given a pacifier.
Yeah, we don't want
formula milk.
We don't want.
Because the big mistake that happened when mommy was born was the nurses in, what was the hospital where I was born? The BMH, or the British Majesty's Hospital where I was born. Your grandmom, was, she had low blood. She had to be on a blood transfusion. So I had to be given formula milk. And that's how I ruined my appetite for the real milk. So no, that's not going to happen to my baby. So nursing intervention and newborn care. Both parents should be present during the birth. Yes, bathing and massage. You want to be there?
Yeah, of course.
Of course we're going to be there. And we would like to see how the nurses bathe and massage our baby. Apparently there's a massage as well. Oh, meal. Let's look into the meals now. I would like to be served normal meal of the hospital. Yes. Special meal. No, I don't have hypertension, diabetes. Relatives bringing food? No.
What relatives?
There is nobody around here to give me anything. No, I will not take responsibility for my meals. No, that's going to be a hassle. And visitors, do I wish to restrict visitors? Do we want to?
How many visitors do you think you'll get?
How many visitors do we have? I think everyone else will be at work, unless it's a Sunday. Even if it's
or
a Sunday.
stuck in their own countries.
Oh, they're stuck in their own countries. Or even if we would like our friends to come because of the COVID situation, I don't think so the hospital's going to be allowing anyone to come. I would like to be called by the receptionist and pass permission. Okay, I would like my visitors to be allowed in the hospital within the established hours. No, I think only Tati will be there. Everyone will be at work. And I think if people do want to visit, yeah, we're open.
Visiting hours only.
Visiting hours and maybe third day. I don't know how long I'll be there. So the last question, in order to help you recover soon and learn better newborn feeding skills, are you willing to have an experienced midwife go to your home for postpartum service? Wow. Do you want?
Oh, I'll be the midwife. I'm the postpartum midwife.
Yes. So yeah, that's the plan given to us by a hospital, Harmony Care. So far, we're very thankful for Dr. Guy, who's been looking after me. Who else was there? Dr. Shah, I think, who we met yesterday. And we have our friends, nurses, Cherry and Ying. So we're going to be
Lena before.
And Lena before, who's moved to another hospital. But we would like the 2 nurses to be there. So hopefully that would be enough. I think we don't need any more people, I think. So yeah, the countdown has begun and we need to look back at this, fill this out and maybe take it to the hospital. Not tomorrow though. So tomorrow is 37 and we're going to go back to the hospital, do an ultrasound of this little watermelon here. He's more than a watermelon now, as you can see. He used to be a little baby broccoli and now he's big, and as you can see, he's coming down. Baby Zach is coming down. And I have more room here now, as you can see. So yeah, that's our plan.
See you, baby, in 3 weeks.
Is thank God and trust God to deliver this baby. Because you are perfect.
And we love you.
And we love you.